Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best console table in gray, the Snughome Entryway table with charging station. This sleek and stylish piece blends modern industrial design with practical features, making it a perfect addition to any entryway, living room, or hallway. The Snughome console table measures 29.5 inches in width, 9.4 inches in depth, and stands at 29.5 inches tall. Its slim and narrow profile makes it ideal for smaller spaces while still offering generous storage options. The table's shape is a unique semicircular design that adds a sophisticated touch without overpowering your room's aesthetic. One of the standout features is the built-in charging station. It includes two 3-prong power outlets and two USB ports, all connected by a 79-inch power cord. This allows you to conveniently charge multiple devices such as phones, laptops, tablets, and smartwatches right on the table, keeping your space organized and clutter-free. The table offers 5 tiers of storage shelves, which is quite generous. These multi-level shelves provide plenty of space to display your favorite decor, store books, or keep daily essentials handy. The mix of open shelves makes it easy to access what you need while also showing off your style. In terms of materials, the table combines engineered wood for the tabletop with a sturdy iron frame finished in matte black. This combination not only offers durability but also gives the table a trendy industrial look that fits a variety of home decor styles. The tabletop is water-resistant and easy to clean, which adds to the practicality of this piece. The metal frame is smooth and well-finished, resisting rust and oxidation, so you can expect it to last for years. Plus, the mesh shelves add an additional layer of style and strength, capable of holding heavier items securely. Another thoughtful detail is the inclusion of adjustable feet pads. These pads are anti-slip and scratch resistant, helping to protect your floors from damage and ensuring the table stays stable on uneven surfaces. Assembly is designed to be straightforward and hassle-free. The package includes clearly numbered accessories, detailed instructions, and the necessary tools, so you won't have to worry about complicated setup. Overall, the Snughome Entryway table with charging station stands out as a highly functional, stylish, and durable piece of furniture. Whether you use it as a console table, sofa table, or a versatile storage solution in your hallway or foyer, it offers both form and function in one elegant package. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a gray console table that's practical, well-designed, and equipped with modern features like charging ports, this Snughome table is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching.